always interested in many other things.
It's great to be back. Great to be back playing this golf course, and it is playing a little differently than it was the last two times we played here. Or the last three times actually I've played here. Greens are a little bit slower, and they had to be, especially on Sunday when it was actually unplayable. It'll be interesting. I know the weather's not supposed to be very good coming in for this week, so all the players are going to have to make some adjustments. But this golf course is still in spectacular shape, and so we're looking forward to another great championship.
Tiger, obviously your public image is somewhat different to the last time you were here. How is that likely to impact on your week here at St. Andrews?
It doesn't impact it at all. I'm here to play a championship, and this is the Open Championship at St. Andrews. It's as good as it gets. It's the home of golf. I'm just like every other player. So we're looking forward to getting out there and playing the Open Championship.
Do you feel that a win here offers you some kind of road to redemption?
I would like to win no matter what. It would be nice. It really would be nice. A lot of work ahead of me, but to win here is certainly one of the bigger highlights I've ever had in my career, and because it is the home of golf, and it's amazing how many great champions have